Low competition keywords. That's what we're going to be talking about today. And I want to share with you 3 tips on how to find these keywords to help you better stand out on YouTube. Without further ado, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss anything, or should I say, miss any important updated videos. Now, let's get straight into it. I want to share with you 3 tips to find these keywords, or should I say these low competitive keywords, and to help you stand out a little better on YouTube. So the very first thing you need to take advantage of is YouTube itself, the YouTube search bar. Guys, the YouTube search bar will give you suggested keywords that are actually being searched. You don't want to be the one, or should I say, be that individual that's putting up videos that's not getting searched, or going after keywords that's not getting searched. So you need to find out who's searching for what. Okay, and YouTube is a good place to start. The actual YouTube search bar will give you a suggestion of keywords that are actually being searched. Depending on what you're trying to go after, I recommend starting with the YouTube search bar to get a kind of idea of actually what's being searched. And once you get an idea of and a list of keywords that's actually being searched, tip 2 I want to share with you. But before we get into that, we'll be right back after this. All right, guys, welcome back. So let's get into tip 2. Long tail keywords are the secret sauce to low competition. The more specific the keyword phrase is, the better, or should I say, the higher the chances of ranking, because the broader it is, it's more competitive, very broad. It doesn't go into detail. A keyword that's very broad going to always have high competition. Now, on the flip side of that, let's say a keyword phrase that's specific, it kind of narrows down a little bit deeper. Guess what? It's going to be less competitive. It's going to be easier to rank for. For example, let's take Nike shoe, for example. Let's say that's a keyword. Nike shoe is very broad. It doesn't tell you what type of Nike shoe. It doesn't tell you what color. It's very broad, okay? So let's do a long tail phrase of that. Let's say someone's in online looking for black Air Force One Nike shoe. See, that's more in detail. It tells you what type of shoe and also tell you what color shoe. And that's what you call a long tail keyword phrase. It's specific and it has about multiple keywords in it to make a phrase that narrows down to like a certain niche. Hope that makes sense. So guys, long tail keyword phrases are the secret sauce to low competition. Tip 3, now that you have an idea and have a list of keywords that are most likely long tail phrases that increases your chances of ranking, you also need to take those keywords and pop them into a keyword research tool. The one I recommend is vidIQ. If you want to learn a little bit more about vidIQ, you can check out the link in the description below here. But anyway, vidIQ is a phenomenal keyword research tool that will help you get insight and get deep data to the point where you can see how competitive is this keyword that I'm trying to go after. How many other people are going after it? What's the competition? How much the search volume? What's the competition score? So guys, it gives you a lot of data that you can make better decisions on going after keywords. So even though you got a keyword that you think is good, it's also a good idea to utilize a keyword research tool to find out, hey, can I even rank for this? So guys, you get the idea. So check out vidIQ by clicking the link below. But anyway, I did another video as a bonus here to kind of go more in depth. Everything I'm talking about on this video, you can kind of watch that video by clicking that video card above here, somewhere up here. But anyway, watch that video to learn a little bit more information on how to use vidIQ, how to find these long tail phrases, and how to utilize the YouTube search bar. All that good stuff is in that video up there. But anyway, it's comment time. I want to know your feedback to this question. I want to know, when it comes to YouTube search, why do you think it's important to do proper keyword research before recording? Leave a comment below in the comment section. I want to know your feedback to that question. But anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you found value in this video, and I will see you on the next video.